The mission of the PGPEX VLM is to develop future visionary leaders to enhance the global competitiveness of the Indian manufacturing sector. VLM is being conducted jointly by three premier institutes of India: Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta; Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur; and Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. The course has been designed by these institutes in consultation with Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Confederation of Indian Industry. PGPEX VLM is 1 year full-time residential program, has a built-in manufacturing focus that helps to appreciate an industry's metamorphosis in competitive times. Introducing Class of 2023, a cohort of 40 future visionary leaders.
This batch brings the highest gender diversity, bringing together future leaders from varied industry background and functional experience. It's just the beginning of an year full of adventure. The journey continues.